welcome back guys to another video of Rooski Fishing Boys. Today I'm going to show you what I built. 80cc 2-stroke motor engine on that. Hopefully within 6 months I could upgrade to a 4-stroke 50cc. Yeah, this is why it took me so long to post a video, because first I had to get this built. Now I'm going to the creek and I'm going to show you guys how it's done. Look at the water. Perfect. Alright guys, back at the creek. Funny thing is, last time I was here, see that stick right here with leaves? It was a dead stick, and I put string on there so it'd catch me fish while I'm gone. Then I come back, there's leaves on it now. Pretty cool. So, let's do this. So, see if we can make first cast. Lucky cast. Alright guys, looks like I might be getting some bites. Alright guys, this time we're actually going to start a fire. You can do it. Come on. I got these 2 sausages with me. Yeah. That was close. I'm gonna add in another. Alright, that one died. See if I can. There you go. There you go. Yes, this is so good. Just a little fire so I won't burn anything. There you go. And then I'm gonna grab my bag. Little bag. Fill it up with water and pour it here a bit. And yeah, and then as you guys can see, the fish isn't biting. That's just the current and the sticks that the line is on. Which kinda sucks, but yeah. No trouble having a fire when you're right by the water and